Welcome to UC MAFIA, home of Ultimate Camaro.
By Dave, UC MAFIA. It's almost 3 in the morning, but I'm a little buzzed. Let's do a cold start, and then you guys will see how to install a starter that I just installed. So let's do it.
UC MAFIA, Ultimate Camaro. So, I hadn't seen a Gen 5 starter swap on YouTube. So, it's on the passenger side, right next to the inside of the header. You gotta take that bolt out, that bolt out. There's a heat shield that goes in between here. This guy right here. It goes in right here. Hold on by bolt there and there. So when you go to take it out, this is the new one. So you go to take it out, you want to loosen these two up. Take the heat shield off. Drop the two bolts. Push back. You know, you might have to push back hard. Push back, lift up. It will pop out. Drop it down. There is a up here when you drop it down. There will be a plug you have to pop out, and then a nut that you have to take off the power cord. This is a size 13. This is a size 8. It's really that simple. But I didn't see anything on YouTube, so I thought I would put it on for everybody. But here's the old one. So right here is the piece you have to, the plug you have to pop out. Right here is the power you gotta take off. It's a 13 too. So when you pop it down, you should be able to fit your arm in through here with a socket. Take that off. It's really easy, guys. It seriously, as soon as you get the car up, unplug the battery, it's 10-15 minutes. So there you guys go. See you guys at the light.
How was that?
I hope that was good.
Starter ain't too bad, guys. Once you get it all done and jacked up on the stands, it's actually fairly easy. Takes you only 10-15 minutes. But until next time, guys, you see Mafia, see you at the light.